Hello, little dreamers, and welcome to our magical corner of the world. Are you tucked in and ready for an adventure? Tonight, we're going to travel to a land far, far away, a place painted with the colors of the sunset and sprinkled with stardust. This is the Whispering Woods, and it's home to a very special little creature named Pip. Pip wasn't a bear, or a rabbit, or a fox. Pip was a glow-wisp, a tiny being made of soft light and happy thoughts. Every night, as the moon climbed high into the sky, Pip would wake up and begin his important job. His task was to collect the lost giggles of children and turn them into new stars. One evening, Pip felt a little sad. The woods were quieter than usual, and he couldn't find a single lost giggle. The sky looked a bit empty, without new stars twinkling. So, with a determined little flutter of his light wings, he decided to venture beyond the Whispering Woods, all the way to the edge of the world, where the ocean meets the sky. He zipped past sleepy mountains and over slumbering towns. The world below was a patchwork quilt of dark blues and soft yellows from the streetlights. Pip followed the sound of the gentle waves, a soft shushing sound like a mother singing a lullaby. He landed on a smooth, gray rock, the sea foam tickling his glowing toes. There, sitting on the sand, was a little girl with hair the color of midnight. She was looking out at the water, her shoulders slumped. Pip floated closer, his light pulsing gently. "Hello," he whispered, his voice like the chime of a tiny bell. The little girl, whose name was Luna, looked up, surprised. She wasn't scared, though Pip's light was too warm and friendly for that. "I can't sleep," Luna said softly. "I lost my favorite seashell, the one that sings the ocean's song." Pip's tiny heart twinged with sympathy. He knew all about losing precious things. "Maybe I can help," he chirped. "I'm very good at finding lost things, especially things that make people happy." Luna's eyes widened. "Really? But it's so dark." Pip just winked, or what looked like a wink for a glow-wisp. "The dark is my friend," he said. He began to glow brighter, casting a warm, golden circle on the sand around them. He danced through the air, his light sweeping across the beach like a tiny searchlight. They searched together. Luna pointed to where she'd been playing, and Pip zipped and zoomed, his light making the wet sand glitter like a million tiny diamonds. They looked behind rocks and under strands of seaweed. Just as they were about to give up, Pip's light caught a faint shimmer near the water's edge. There it was, a beautiful, pearly white seashell, half buried in the sand. Luna gasped with delight and ran to pick it up. She held it to her ear, and a tiny, magical melody drifted out the song of the ocean. A huge smile spread across her face, and then it happened. A giggle, a pure, happy giggle, bubbled up and floated into the air like a soap bubble. Pip swooped in and caught it gently in his hands. It swirled with colors of sea green and sunrise pink. "Thank you," he chirped. "This is just what I needed." Luna looked at the glowing giggle in his hands. "What for?" she asked, her voice full of curiosity. "For the sky," Pip explained. "I take lost giggles and turn them into new stars, so no one ever feels lost in the dark." Luna looked from the giggle to the night sky, her eyes filled with wonder. She watched as Pip flew higher and higher, a little ball of light against the vast darkness. He tossed the giggle up into the air, and with a soft pop, it burst into a brilliant, twinkling star brighter than all the rest. Luna lay back on the sand, clutching her seashell, and watched her very own star sparkle above her. The sound of the waves and the sight of her new star made her feel cozy and safe. Her eyelids grew heavy. "Thank you, Pip," she whispered to the sky, and before she knew it, she had drifted off into a sweet, peaceful sleep, filled with dreams of sparkling stars and magical friends. And Pip, he returned to the Whispering Woods with a heart full of joy. He knew that even one small act of kindness could light up the whole world, one star at a time. And every night since then, whenever a child looks up at the sky, they can see Luna's star twinkling brightly, a reminder that happiness can always be found, even in the dark. Now it's your turn, little one. Close your eyes and imagine your very own star. What color is it? Does it dance and shimmer? Let its gentle light guide you into a world of wonderful dreams. The moon is watching over you, the stars are twinkling for you, and the whole world is whispering, sleep tight, sweet dreams, and we'll be back tomorrow with another story just for you. Thank you for listening. Remember to subscribe so you never miss a new adventure. Good night.